Advances in dental technology, improving patient care. Dental technology has advanced a great distance in recent times as new developments are developed to help improve treatment for patients. From digital printing to 3D printers, new technologies are changing the ways that dental professionals assess the condition, treat their patients. In this clip, we'll explore a few new developments in dentistry technology and how they can benefit both the dental professional and patients. Digital imaging. One of the largest advances in the field of dental technology is the switch from traditional film-based X-rays into digital. Digital X-rays provide numerous advantages over film. They include speedier and better quality images, less exposure to radiation, and the capacity to quickly store and share images digitally. The result is that dentists are able to swiftly diagnose dental issues and formulate plans for treatment with greater accuracy and better results. 3D printing. Another revolutionary technology for dental includes 3D printers. Dentists are now able to utilize 3D printers for creating custom dental crowns, implants, or even braces. This allows better quality and more personalized treatment options that result in longer-lasting and more fitting restorations. In addition, 3D printing may drastically reduce the duration required to make dental prosthetics. It makes it faster for dental practitioners and patients. Intraoral scanners. Traditional impressions of the teeth may be painful for patients as well as vulnerable to errors. But, thanks to the development of intraoral scanners, dentists can create digital impressions of the patient's teeth in just a few minutes. They provide extremely exact and precise 3D pictures that allow for more precise treatments and improved fitting restorations. Patients must endure sloppy impressions, which make the experience of visiting a dentist more relaxing and more convenient. CAD/CAM technology. Computer-aided design as well as computer-aided manufacturing, CAD/CAM technology has changed the process by which dental restorations are designed and manufactured. Through CAD/CAM technology, dentists can create bridges, crowns, and veneers all in one session, cutting out the requirement for temporaries and numerous sessions. This makes it possible for better customization and speedier processing times, thereby increasing patients' experience and speeding up the procedure of treating. Robotic-assisted surgery. Robotic-assisted surgical procedures are another advanced technology that is being introduced into the realm of dentistry. Robots assist dentists with doing complex procedures using greater efficiency and accuracy, resulting with improved outcomes in treatment and a lower risk to patients. Utilizing robotic technology, dentists can gain access to difficult-to-reach places and complete minimally invasive operations with greater precision and speed, resulting in quicker recuperation times and improved healthcare for patients. Telemedicine. Due to the COVID-19 outbreak, the use of telemedicine has grown increasingly popular in dental care. By using virtual consultations and monitors remotely, patients have the ability to access dental services at the convenience of their home. Dental practitioners can make use of telemedicine in order to examine oral health issues as well as provide information on hygiene habits and prescribe prescription medications when required. This method of treatment can provide easy and affordable dental services and is particularly beneficial for patients who might have difficulty getting to an office for dental care in person. Technology advancements in dentistry transform the way that the dental treatment is offered to improve patient outcomes as well as improving the efficiency of treatment. From 3D printing and digital imaging, the latest technologies are changing the face of dentistry as well as improving the overall experience for patients. Through the adoption of these technologies, dental practitioners can provide the most personalized, efficient, and effective treatment to their patients. It will ultimately lead to healthier and happier patients. There is no doubt that the dental industry is in the future as we continue to develop the latest and innovative techniques.